Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to generate leads from Google Ads for your landscaping business. So let's deep dive into it. So as you can see, for this client we have generated 80 leads in the last month, 1st to March from to 31st March in last month 2025. The cost per lead was $62 a lead. We spent $5,000 in the last month, and out of those 80 leads, he converted 9 leads so far, and the project cost is total $42,000. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to show you how to launch your first Google ad campaign even if you don't have any experience, and we can simply launch with the help of AI and chat GPT, and you don't need higher budgets like 5,000, 7,000. You can even start with $1,000 a budget and get at least 10 to 15 leads in a month, good leads in a month to start your marketing journey for the landscaping. So let's get started. So the first step is to understand whom you are targeting for your services and what services basically you are selling. So ideally for the landscaping business, the ideal client is a homeowner within the age of 30 to 55, local area like the area you are servicing is, and into mid to high income range. You don't want someone making very low income range because they won't be able to afford your landscaping service. Let's suppose for 5,000, 8,000, 7,000, or maybe more, right? So first is this point. The second next important point is what they are searching on the Google, because sometimes people show to ads to everyone. Like if someone is searching for a landscape design only or landscape design ideas only, and you are showing your ads to those people, so those are not your ideal audience, right? If you we want people specifically looking for services like local landscaping contractor near me, custom landscaper in whatever city you are in, right? So we want only high intent keywords, right? I'm going to show you, don't worry about that. So let's go to next step. So this is the prompt. With this prompt I'll show you how to create entire Google Ads copy, like the headlines, description, citing, everything I'm going to show you later, that how to use it. Don't worry about the route. So the second step is the keyword research. This is the most important step when you are starting the Google Ads. So let me show you how it's get done. So go for Google Keywords Planner. Just follow the exact step. You will see Google Ads Keywords Planner. Now, if you already signed in, you just need to sign into this. I'm going to select an account. Okay, we are into the account. Okay, here's the keyword planner. Okay, click on discover new keywords. Now, only search for the specific keyword that I'm going to show you. Let's suppose you are running your business in Houston or maybe in Seattle. Because Seattle is okay, Seattle, right? In Washington. Include that area. Remove the entire United States. Save it. Search for a local landscaper. Best landscaping company. Best. You can also go for specific keywords, service based keyword. Basically, whatever service you are providing. Let's suppose you are specialized in doing landscaping for backyard renovation, so you can also search that. Just give it 2 to 3 keywords and click on get results. Okay, now you will be able to see that Google is giving us relevant results, right? Okay, just cancel it. Okay, it also giving you some keywords related to it. So if you find okay, best landscaping company, we can go for landscaping contractor, landscaping company. Okay, get results. Okay, yeah, we are getting decent research, not very high, but yeah, it's a decent research. Okay, now only select the keywords which are highly relevant. Don't go for keywords which are not related to your services. So let me show you how to find these types of keywords. Okay, the landscaping name is good keyword. Landscaping service is a good keyword. Landscaping company. landscaping company. Evergreen Landscaping is not. I think it might be competitor's name. If it's a competitor name, you can go for it. Otherwise, don't select it. Landscaping services near me. Four Season Landscaping. These are the, I think, local competitor names. So it's a good keyword. They are getting the good search volume. So maybe you can target those competitor keywords as well. Design company, always avoid for design keywords. If you are not just a design company, if you are a contractor who provide design plus build, so always avoid for design related keywords, because these are the people who are just looking for design or ideas that how they can improve, not looking for to get a service. Landscaping contractor, SOD installation companies near me. If you provide the service, you can select this. Monarch Landscaping. This is already, I think, a competitor one. Design, avoid design. Hardscaping. If you are provide hardscaping, you can select it. Best landscaping company near me. Affordable. You can select, but I think you should avoid it when you are just starting out, when you have less budget. So these keyword sometimes converts, but sometimes doesn't. So avoid this for now. Hardscape contractor, local landscaper near me. Local is a very good keyword. Local landscaping business. So accordingly, you can select at least 20 to 25 keywords. If you provide lawn maintenance, you can select this as well. Landscaping company is my area. Also, you can make a list of all the competitors in your area. You can see Edge Landscaping, American Landscaping. You can make a list of those competitors, and I'll show you how to target those competitors as well. So okay, once we finalize some of the keywords, now it's time to add group them into some of the groups, so we can I've already done that, so I'm going to explain you the reason behind it. So ad group is basically we combine the similar intent keywords into similar ad groups, so we can create a customized copy for these keywords, right? So it will help them basically get higher CTR, and improve our search ads results, and basically get our cost per result lower, right? And also it improves our ads rank better. So it's a essential thing. So basically what I have done is, I have in the ad group one, I am keeping all the keywords related to landscaping companies, like landscaping near me, landscaping company near me, all related to this, right? In the ad group two, I'm keeping all the keywords related to landscaping contractors, landscaping contractor, local landscaping contractor, lawn care contractor near me. And in the third ad group, I'm keeping all the services related to patio contractors, right? If you have more services, you can create up to 5, 7, 8, totally dependent on. If you have a specialty in the lawn care services, you can create a separate ad group for lawn care as well. So for this, I'm going for patio contractor, right? You can see all related to the same keyword. Now, for the negative keywords, don't select the keywords related, any keyword which has cost, ideas, design, free, budget, etc. Keywords into them. So don't select those kinds of keyword. Now once you've done this, you can use the same negative keywords basically for the start. So basically negative keyword, what negative keyword does is they exclude, if, let's suppose if someone is searching for free landscaping contractor near me, so it automatically don't show our ad to them, right? Okay, okay, free design contractor, if we don't provide just design service, so we can exclude them, right? So our keyword is done. Let's move to the next part. So now the next step is creating a good converting landing page. What does it mean by? So basically what I have seen is, like, many people use the website to run Google Ads, which is not totally wrong, but I don't like to use website to run my clients Google Ads, because what happens is when you are running ads to a website, there are so many distractions. There are social links, there are contact us link, about us links, there are so many distractions. And since you are paying Google to get traffic out of from the Google, so you should be create a highly focused landing page. The only goal of landing page is to convert your leads, right? So why we are using a landing page? Because if your landing page is not good and it's not optimized for the conversion, you will end up wasting money. Like, let's suppose 10 people came to your landing page or your website and only 10 converted, right? So your cost per lead is, let's suppose, $10, right? Which is not going to be so less, but let's suppose it's $10. Now what happens is, if out of those 120 people converted, right? So for the 20 people, your cost per lead is going to be half. So this is how important a landing page role is when you are running the Google Ads campaign. How to find a landing page which is already converting, or is it's a good landing page or not? So first step is check what type of landing pages other people are using, right? Let's suppose if you go to Google, search for landscaping contractor in Houston, or search near me, you'll be able to see you will be able to see basically what types of landing page other people are using. You can open these pages and see what types of landing pages the other people are using. Okay, this is not a very good example. Let me see. Okay, again, this is a website, so many distraction, people can go to anywhere, so many distractions. Okay, this looks like a decent page, but again, so many options. This is a website basically, so that's why I told you, like, don't go for website. Let me show you how a well designed or converting landing page looks like. I have find out, so many examples for you. So again, which includes both, website as well as okay, this is a really good landing page. The only thing I don't like about this page is, so many options. If you can remove this, otherwise this landing page really looks good. CTA is very good. View services also can be removed. Just put get estimate or get free quote. Just one CTA. A landing page should have only one CTA. Okay, about us is good. Our services pretty good. Why choose us? Pretty good, nice. Okay, they are offering 25% discount as well. Good offer. Customer reviews very really good. Gallery really good. Yeah, this is a good landing page. Yeah, all these things needs to be removed as well, because otherwise people will go to okay blog and they'll end up wasting time and don't fill up the lead, right? So I don't like to test those types of landing page. Again, this landing page is also looks good. This is for a paver repairing and installation. This landing page is also good. The only thing I don't like about it is these menu bars. So you can remove this. Otherwise, yeah, before after videos very good. Past clients, customer. Okay, why choose us? Really good landing page. Yeah, these needs to be removed as well. Okay, let's find out. Okay, yeah, this is the third example. Again, this is a really good example of landing page, the type of landing page you should use, but only don't use, the website version of it. You can remove, duplicate this page and, remove all these things. Social media, don't use these things. Call for free consultation is good, right? Otherwise, this page is really good. Okay, showing the work, why choose us, happy clients. Okay, 100 happy clients. I think this needs to be changed. Maybe some kind of service you can mention here, or something else. Okay, really good landing page. Yeah, Google reviews, projects. Okay, showing the work. Okay, last city. It's very good. FAQ is also there. It's very good example of of a good landing page. But let me show you how a very well designed landing page looks like, and what basically I'm talking about. Let's go for this. I'm going to mention all the landing page here, so you can have a look. And also going to share this document with you guys, so don't need to worry about that. Okay, so this is the first type of landing page that I was talking about. See, simply number is there, why chooses is there, get a free quote, one CT, only one CT. Always have a one CT on your landing page. Okay, need a certificate, testable landscape gardener in Watford. Okay, yeah. Okay, about them, why choose them, some content, services, need an expert. Again, a good CTA, reviews is here, the work is here. You can see there is no other than one CTA, right? You can see everything is removed from here. So this is what I was talking about, like clean form. What type of, you can ask like few questions to make sure, like they are qualified people. Again, this is a good landing page. FAQ is there. Yeah, pretty good landing page. Even if you see, these are the different parts of the same landing page. It's not taking them to on different page or something elsewhere, right? So use these kind of pages. Again, the page, yeah, this one is pretty good. This one is my favorite. You can see 100% satisfaction guarantee. Get code, simple form, name, email ID, contact number, what services are looking for, save time, money, and hassle with Sydney's trusted landscaping services. Why they are, 2, 3 bullet marks to show them that why they are, most preferred or they are the best in the area. Now, instead of call now to city at the same place, call now, can be up here. Here you can just mention the free quote. When they click on free quote, okay, they are now taking them to a different page. But I think if they can, fill up the form, or they can just take the person to this form, this also works. Trusted suppliers, okay, testimonials are there, trusted by, okay, Sydney homeowners, good. Okay, showing the work, it's very important. Show the before after picture, landscaping work. Yeah, why choose us? This is very important. Finished product. Okay, this is really good. Again, the simple form. Okay, they are using this, but it can be removed. Yeah, at the bottom, it doesn't matter very much. But at the top, there should be no, more than one X, one CTA basically. Okay, again, yeah. This is a very simple landing page, but I'm sure this is converting really well for us. You can see, you can Okay, this is a very simple landing page, but I'm sure this is converting really well because they don't have a, they just have a one CTA for the call and one CTA for the form. Landscaping services, pretty simple, pretty basic. No many CTAs. Okay, their form is looks fine. They are collecting the street address as well, but you can avoid this. You can just ask name, phone number, email, what type of project you have, and yeah, and where did you find about us or additional question. This 4 to 5 question is fine. Otherwise your cost per lead is going to increase. Okay, Google review is good number of reviews, project details fine, last CTA. Yeah, no more, multiple CTAs to divert the paid traffic from the page. Yeah, let's see one more example. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, we have checked this one already. Okay, check this one. Okay, this one is also a good example. You can see only one CTA, call now. Okay, they have mentioned the offer as well. Like this is a very, good way to collect more leads because we are presenting them an offer with a, $500. If you are having offers like this, okay, or let's suppose you have a different offer, like 20% off on your first landscaping project. You can offer that as well. But yeah, this is a good landing page. Request a consultation. They have mentioned that, okay, all the certificates here, projects. Okay, full services. Okay, this is they have mentioned their, okay, here they have mentioned their specialties and when they started about them basically. Okay, their services, hardscaping, kitchens, outdoor structures, patios, planting, every all the services. This is about the owner. Yeah, you can see there's no other CTA. Then call, either call now or, book a free consultation. They have mentioned the process as well, like, first is consult, second is design, third is get built, right? Again, Google reviews, same things on every page. Offer, last CTA basically. Okay, they have the pop-up as well. Creating outdoor services, gallery, the same things are, similar to all the landing page. Google reviews, before after pictures showcasing the work, CTAs, or and no other CTAs at the bottom or anywhere else, right? This is a good landing page. So let's move to the next part, which is set up your Google Ads account. Okay. So when you are, setting up your account, the first step is to set up your conversion events, which is either leads or sign up. Let me quickly show you how it can be done. So you'll go to, goals in your account, conversion, open it into a new page. So this is a deactivated account. We use it for, for the demo purposes. Now create new conversion actions, website. Now basically put your domain here to, scan your website to get what I'm going to put my own website. Let it scan. Okay, yeah, recommended. Now it gives you, how to set up a Google conversion event. So you will go for, submit lead form, event type, page load, go to see more settings. Basically we are telling, it's a way of telling them Google, okay, when Google, we want you to count a conversion. So basically when someone goes to the thank you page, we want Google to count it as a conversion, right? So it needs to be set up before you run your ads, right? So go here, URL contain, and put your basically so if your landing page is basically, if your landing page thank you page is your website slash thank you, so you can put your thank you here, right? Just thank you. Or if you have like thanks, if you have thank you, something like this, whatever you have in your URL, you can put here. So when someone when the page is loaded and Google find a page with the thank you in it, it's going to count it as a conversion. You can name here lead, length or landscaping lead, so it will be easier, right? Don't name it any value, go for one. Okay, everything is looks fine. Put it here, done. Right now, next step is to add a conversion code. Go to add, agree and continue. Now, so now the next step is to set up the Google tag for the conversion. So this is a whole new story for the next video, which I'm going to cover in the future. For now, you can just basically send the instructions to your web developer so he can get it done for you. And once it's done, click on done, and your your conversion event is already created, and it will be show active here. So you can basically share the instructions to your website developer, website person, so they will be able to do it. It's a pretty basic thing. They just need to put a code on the website, both the website basically both the landing pages. First is the opt-in page, second is the thank you page, and you will start seeing the conversion. So let's get back to creating a campaign now. Okay, yeah, click on create campaign, new campaign, go for leads always, select a campaign time, go for search, website visit, put your website here. For now I'm going to put my own landing page. Okay, now it asks you like what conversion event you want to count it. So we are going to choose the one that we have created, form submission on your website. It's not showing right now, but once you set up the once the conversion event is active, it's already going to show here. Now second step is to name the campaign. So name it, who is running the campaign. If you are running the campaign, you can name is, I prefer to name my all campaigns for in my client's account with AB. Second is what type of campaign is, it's a search, landscaping, what area you are targeting. Let's suppose we are targeting Houston, and next last step is date. Today is 22nd April. Agree and continue. Okay, if your account is new, some people like to go for, maybe they will suggest you to go for maximum clicks. I would like to go with maximum conversion even with the start. Also select this target cost per action, so your lead always been in your limit. For the landscaping, you can put it around anywhere between 50 to 80 or maybe $100, totally depending on your area. For the initial start, put it 60. If you don't get leads for $60, you can always increase it. If you don't get any impression at the 60, you can move it to 75, 80, and see how many conversions you are getting. For the start, just keep it 60. Don't change anything here. Untick these two things, otherwise you are going to get a very irrelevant lead. The cost per lead will be very less, around 10 to $20, but the quality will be very poor. So select your location. If you are targeting Houston, just select Houston, right? For the location, click on there. Always select the people who are present in your location, right? Sometimes Google target who has the interest in your location as well. Like suppose someone has the interest in Houston, they are going to be retargeted if even if they are living in other country. So always select the people who are regular in your country. Select the language. Okay, don't choose anything here. Keep it off. Don't change anything here. Go to next step. Always skip this. Don't let Google create any campaign of yours. We are going. I'm going here to show you how it's get done. Now here, name the ad group, same what we have created. The first ad group will be landscaping contract companies. Same, name them basically. Yeah. See, now when it come to keyword, we are going to use the keyword with the phrase match. Phrase match is basically uh, the intent of the people who are searching the in your area will be related to these. Like, let's suppose someone is searching for landscaping company near me in Houston. So the basically the or whatever they are searching, it will be related to your these keywords. If you choose a broad match, Google is always going to suggest you the broad match, but never go with the broad match. Always go with the either exact match or phrase match. Let me show you how to get done. Search for keyword wrapper. First tool you find, just put down all your keywords here. Select wrap. It's going to give you all the keywords in the phrase match. So with the phrase match, they just add two commas at the both side. Just copy it. You don't need to do it manually. Put it here. Okay, it's already here. All the keywords. When it comes to the ad, let me show you how to create these headlines and description with the help of ChatGPT. Remember, I told you that I'm going to teach you how to create these in just 1 minute or 2 minutes. Let's go back to this. Okay, this is the prompt that you need to go to the ChatGPT. So just copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT, right? The prompt is already here. Just mention I need a complete Google Ads setup for a landscaping business targeting Houston. You can mention whatever area you are targeting. The goal is to generate high quality leads for homeowners looking for landscaping services. The plan should include ad copy, headlines, descriptions. 15. So once you do that, you can see it automatically generates headlines and description for your copy. So now you can use this in the ads. For better understanding, you can also directly mention like create for these keywords. So if you go to the ads group, like we have segregated ads group based on landscaping company, landscaping contractor, and services. So if you can just copy this and paste it and tell them, okay, we need ads copy particularly for this ad group targeting these keywords. Just mention this, and it's going to give you the landscaping headlines for the landscaping companies, right? Similarly, for the description is going to be here. Now, once you copy paste this exact same into your ads copy, similarly, now you can post the now similarly you can use these keywords to create ads copy for the second ad group, which is landscaping contractor. And similarly, you will see you can have similar keywords here, and you will get the landscaping headlines based on landscaping contractors, right? You will be getting the relevant headlines. Now you can use these headlines and these descriptions. Now for the third, like you can see, we are using the same keywords like patio contractor, like whatever keywords we have found out, you just need to copy paste it and ask ChatGPT to create headlines and description for this. You can see it created the headlines and the descriptions for the patio contractor ad group. Now you can use this directly into your ads copy. Okay, keyword list. Okay, see, they are giving the everything is here. Top landscaping. Now you just need to go to Google account and paste it. Affordable lawn services. Best landscaping near me. Houston lawn pros. Remove today. Nothing. Full service lawn expert. Everything is here. Like if you found something that you don't do, you can remove that. That's fine. You can add at least it gives you an option to add 15 headlines, so you can add at least 10 to 12. Also make sure you are not adding something which is not on your landing page. So basically, if you are not providing a service which is not mentioned on your page, please don't mention it. Otherwise you'll end up getting clicks but not conversions, right? Let's suppose if you are don't do the residential, then don't include it. Simple, keep it simple. Fast landscaping, landscape your dream yard, right? So yeah, ChatGPT already done for you. Now these are the lens descriptions for you. So you can add the descriptions. Okay, add at least 2 to 3 descriptions. So for the best performance. Okay. Now our ads is ready. You can see keep it at least average to good, right? So this is how your ad is going to look on the Google. I trusted landscaper, full service loan expert. You can see this is a description. Go to next. Now, for this to add your business name here, if you can see currently it's showing your website, right? To add your business name here, you need to verify your advertiser. So once you verify your advertiser account, like this account, so your name will show here. For the site link, you can leave it for now. You can add it later. But yeah, this is done. Click on done. Go to next. The average budget, it's whatever I suggest you go for an average budget of at least $100, or if you are loan budget you can start with at least $50 to $60 as well, but keep it 80 to just start with, right? So it's suggesting it's in the INR, but I'm saying in the dollar. So it's suggesting for 38, but it's not going to be that low. It's going to be at least in the $50 to $60 range, depending on what area you are targeting. Sometimes we have seen the cost per lead to be only $40 as well, but it totally depends on your area and the competition in your area. Sometimes it can be high at $100 as well. Now go to next. It's gonna check the campaign. Now it's time to publish. Okay, it says set up your Google tag. If you have done the step, it won't come here. So I think it's asking you need to set up the Google tag because we haven't done. Okay, click on cancel here. Okay, your campaign, as you can see already here, just pause it. I'm going to show you how to add other ad groups as well. Go to ad groups. Now you can see you can add other ad groups here as well, right? Same campaign. Also, okay, second ad group is landscaping contractor. Name landscaping contractor. For the keywords, again select all the keywords. First, go to ChatGPT. Ask now create for these keywords. Now come to this wrap. It's going to give you the same keywords for the phrase copy. How simple is this? Just come here. It will ask you, change keyword to broad match. Don't do it. Keep it in the phrase. Otherwise, you'll end up wasting your money. Now keep everything same. You can mention here best landscaping contractor or landscaping contractor. Okay, it's very less. Best contractor. Yeah, best contractor. Okay, this is currently saying company, but now we have created the keywords for the contractor specific, right? Okay, Houston landscape contractor. This is the benefit, keeping the different types of keyword into different ad group. So now you can create a separate ads copies for every similar type of keyword. Otherwise, let's suppose someone searching for the best company, the keyword is showing for best contractor, right? So your CTR will automatically rise. This will help you get better CTR basically. So as you can see, I've already added all the description and headlines. You can see the ad local landscaper in Houston, book a free loan estimate. Everything is there. I'm just going to done, save and continue. It's not going to take much time. Now similarly you can add your third ad group, which is survey based, and similarly follow the exact steps. Let me do it quickly for you. Okay, keywords are here. Put the keywords here, wrap it, go to chat gpt, type now create for these service Okay, so I have added all the headlines here. Similarly, the description as well as the keywords. I have already added them into phrase match. Similar process. So now, okay, it says identical. Let me change one of the headlines. Concrete passion installed. Okay, now click on done, save and continue. Okay, the campaign is done here. You can go to campaign, go for keywords. In the search keywords, go to negative. Now add all the negative keywords that I've shared with you. Also add them into, where are those, I think. Yeah, all add these keywords into negative so you won't get the irrelevant search terms. Okay, just paste it here and I'll show you how to do it. Just double comma them, cost, ideas. Once you run the campaign, you'll be seeing okay what types of searches I'm getting, and based on that you can create your own list and keep adding the negative keywords. It will help you to save your money on the keywords which never gets you the leads, right? So yeah, phrase match, just save it. Now the campaign is done. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so we have done with the campaign. Our account is set up. Campaign is already launched. As I told you, start with at least $50 to $80 a day budget. Target 25 miles radius from your city, which we have already done. Okay, for the site link, I won't prefer to add it right now. Once you have, once you start seeing the result, you are getting, a good number of leads, and you want more leads, more clicks on the landing page, then you can add it in the future, which I am going to cover in, my upcoming videos. But yeah, the next step is monitor, optimize, and scale. Check your campaigns every 2 days. If some keywords are not performing, if some keywords are wasting your money, getting you the clicks but not the conversion, you can always stop them, right? Use the search terms. Always keep an eye on your search terms. Let me show you how it can be done. Go when you go to the campaign inside, in the search terms you will be able to see the okay what people are searching, what searches people are making to find your landing page, find your ads. If some searches are not relevant to you, just add them into negatives, right? Once you start getting the leads, 3 to 5 leads, if you are spending good amount of money, then you can start increasing the budget in every 20 days. Once you increase the budget, give it at least 4 5 days of time to settle the account, and start seeing your performance again. Okay. If you want similar results for your landscaping business and need my help to set up your ad account and Google ad account and launch your ads and get you consistent leads on the daily basis, I am dropping my link here. So you can click on this, book a consultation call with me, and on the call we are going to understand that what problem you are facing basically right now with your marketing, and how Google ads can be improve your business. So feel free to book a call. If even if you are running Google ads already and you are not getting the results, let me do a free audit to your account and see if we can help you get better quality leads and set up the entire basically system for your business, right? So have a good day, take care, bye.